Boy, it's 2026 already, and I have started my Valentines. Actually, I started these right after Christmas. You've seen the Zuru baby Valentine little sets. I can't find them around here, and yeah, I could get them online, but it kind of ruins the fun of it. So I've been working on my own. I took the plastic ball, oh no, you did not see those dog hairs on there, and had a Darren drill holes in it. I made a little purse. This has a little drawstring, so anyone could carry this on their wrist. I did bells at Christmas when I made one. I did heart-shaped pony beads on this. And then this folds back. Like, I got this one a little tighter, so I got to pull it a little harder. Could have had a couple more stitches. And if Sarah of Octopudding is watching, I fear that she's shaking her head no. Okay, there we go. Got that. And what I did was, for the inside, I took a 18-inch doll hat pattern and there's 6 panels for the little cap that I use the pattern for. And then I just cut out a pattern around my ball and added a little extra. I added Velcro so that you can store items inside. I was going to show you this outfit before I put her away. I just made a little pink onesie for her. You can store stuff inside this ball, and put her in, and set it back. That way all your accessories stay together. And then set your doll on top like a cute little bed. I really like it. I also made my Makies girl Darren made a new Valentine's Day stand. He's been making shoes. These shoes are looser than I like, but they are exactly what the Makies pattern calls for on Thingiverse. And I'm weird about socks, but usually they have on stockings. She should have on white stockings. It would be cute. I made the skirt, this little top. I wish they still had these at the Dollar Tree. That was one of those fashion doll packets, and I love them. I grabbed these. Oh, I need a top, so I grabbed one. So that's Valentine's started at our house. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.